Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check your monitor spec and cable. Once done, plug into the correct port and close any full screen programs so settings apply cleanly. Open the system display settings now. On Windows, go to Display Advanced Display. On Mac OS, open System Settings Displays. You do this because an unsupported cable or active app can lock the mode. Make sure to note current settings so you can revert if needed. You now pick the new refresh rate by locating the refresh rate dropdown in Advanced Display Settings or Display Adapter Properties. If the desired rate is missing, lower the resolution or switch to a better cable. Changing resolution often reveals additional refresh options. Apply the change and watch for confirmation prompts. This step matters because refresh rate and resolution are linked. Higher rates often require reduced resolution or better bandwidth. Take a moment to test smoothness in a video or game. You finish by confirming the new rate and testing visual smoothness. Move the pointer and play a clip to detect stutter. If the display stays black or unstable, wait for the system rollback timer, then reboot and retry with a lower rate. Once stable, update GPU drivers and monitor firmware to prevent recurrence. If issues persist, try a different cable or port. This sequence ensures you both get the improvement and have recovery steps ready in case something goes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.